Hello, everyone. I see we got no camera. I'm gonna just enable right away. Thank you very much. Now you can see me. So I'm gonna show you in this short video how we can create very captivating and very interesting shorts using this amazing tool. You see, I got here a prompt, ready-made prompt. You can ask me to the comments and just provide it as it is for you, but you can easily create this kind of prompts. And I'm going to show you how you can use and leverage AI and tools like Sort AI to create a very interesting and captivating. Sorry, we might have a problem with the camera. I'm going to just re-enable so that everything is working again normally. And you're gonna be able to create a very interesting story. Okay, I'm gonna just let the camera off for a moment because it looks like there is a problem. Um, and you can just paste here this prompt. It's gonna give you what you need: the video starting hook, a video ending CTA, and a short storyline under 200 words, as I asked, so that the video is not gonna be more than um, a minute. Okay. So if I go back here to AI story video, you see here those tools are amazing, and they did a great job here with AI, the Sort AI. And here I'm gonna just copy this, copy over here, and then I'm gonna copy this, that it's the CTA, the call to action, in fact. And over here I'm gonna then copy this part, and you see we got the main body of the video. So the only thing I'm gonna just do now is gonna click next, and uh, I have to select what kind of style do I enjoy and I want to create this video with. I can go with Pixar style just to see the idea. I like really the manga style and dark style. You can try all the other. I have already showcased this tool to other videos. You're gonna see how amazing it looks even with the other styles. But now we're going with the Pixar style. I'm gonna click next, and then the next thing to do is to select how I want my subtitles or my captions to look like. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. It looks playful. And the last step, you see, you just move next. You're gonna select just who is gonna talk. Okay, it's the spokesperson. I have even Greek here. I have all the language I want to select. I'm going to select English, and I can select the age. I can go with old or middle age. Let's try middle age, and
The
just
courage to start is the first step.
you see,
Hey there and welcome.
all of them, they sound
The
amazing.
average price for one liter.
If today you are feeling small,
You
The
see,
90s were fun because
it sounds amazing.
let's see here, guys. Podcast.
It's natural, and it sounds really great.
You can use my voice.
Markets remain steady as tech stocks gain.
Hey, everybody. This is Jude.
Okay, let's go on with Jupiter. It's a playful sound. I'm gonna click generate video, and as you see, that was all. Now we got our video generated, and in just seconds, I'm gonna have my video ready to upload to YouTube, or even post this video straight from the platform from AI Source. Let me show you here. You see, you have the option from here to go to publish, and over here you're gonna see that I have already published some videos, and I have them already here ready to be published. Okay, and I'm gonna show you to the next video. In fact, if if I'm gonna go here to my projects, you're gonna see that even this one is gonna be ready in just seconds, because it really takes just seconds to prepare. You see, it's already to 90%, so that I can show you the result. Check this out.
Have you ever wondered how to make money online in ways so unusual they almost sound like a joke, but actually work? Once upon a time, a broke college student stumbled on a bizarre fact. People were making
Okay, that's really interesting, because it takes real fact and fun facts from the internet, and it creates them into shorts. It's really amazing. So I can just grab this video. I can even download this video and upload to my Buffer, or to any other platform that I want to schedule this video. But I can even schedule this video straight from here. Um, uh, I believe you understand the value and how easy it's to create this kind of videos and upload them to your channel. To the next video, I'm gonna show you how easy is to split this kind of videos. You can split any kind of video. Let me show you here. We got the new one, the new option that's called auto clip, that you can grab any kind of video from the YouTube and just split it into small shorts that trust me, it produces so much so many views, and you get even with a long video, some people get bored to watch it. But if you just get this video and create a short one, it really it's something that gives you a lot of views, because people enjoy watching this kind of videos. Anyway, I don't want to keep this one long. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.